You're building those connections with your customers, not just going, oh, here's the catalogue, off you go. You're going, all right, well, let's work with you.
It's very much about a partnership. We try not to think of ourselves as a supplier with a customer. We're trying to set in place partnerships that last beyond the generation, really, so people will come back and say, look, you helped us with this. We're thinking of doing that now. Where do we go from here? And it might even be that we can't help with that specific move, but we'll know somebody who can. So it's helping the customer throughout their journey into automation.
I mean, that will bring people back time and time again, no doubt, because they trust you.
Yeah, we have a very high percentage of repeat business. I mean, let's face it, people don't buy one of these every 2 years, but we do have a very high percentage, more than half of our business is on repeat business.
Wow, I mean, that's an amazing statistic to have on hand.
And do you know what? We're nice folk. We're from Yorkshire. We try and make it a laugh.
I can confirm they are nice folk from Yorkshire. That's, I think, should be your strapline.
Yes, exactly. We have a purpose. Every business has a purpose. Do you know what ours is? Be right with folk. Be right with folk. My grandma taught me that.
I love that so much.